Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class, we will do some extra questions of exercise 6a. Okay, so let's start with question number 3. It is subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c. This we have to subtract, children. From which number? From which expression? From the sum of a plus 3b minus 4c, 4a minus b plus 9c, and minus 2b plus 3c and minus a. We have to subtract it. Okay, we have to subtract an expression from the sum of three expressions. So what we will do? We will frame the structure of our solution first. Subtract, children. Question number 3. They said subtract. Okay, we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? Keep it in a bracket, because all the signs will get changed, because it's subtraction sign now, so you have to keep it in bracket. Remember this. Subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c. Subtract, this is the subtraction sign, so I am going to subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c. 2a minus 3b plus 4c. Yes, it is correct. From which we have to subtract this one, children? From the sum of three expressions. So this is the value from which we have to subtract that particular expression. From the sum of a plus 3b minus 4c, a plus 3b minus 4c, sum 4a minus b, 4a minus b plus 9c, and one more is there, minus 2b. I have to do it. Minus 2b, keep it in a bracket, plus 3c minus a, plus 3c and then minus a. Children, I have to write it again. 3c plus 3c minus a, plus 3c minus a. Or better to write it in a bracket so that you can easily leave it. Then here we have to subtract 2a minus 3b. So we have to subtract, what we have to subtract? 2a minus 3b plus 4c. This we have to subtract. 2a minus 3b plus 4c. Yes, it is correct. Subtract. Question number 3. Subtract करिए. Subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c. Subtract कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. From किससे कर रहे हैं बेटा? Subtract किससे कर रहे हैं? From the sum of this and this expression. इनके सम से आप इसको subtract कीजिए. तो इनका सम करना पड़ेगा हमको. We have to add these three expressions, and then whatever value will come, then we will subtract the given expression. So let's do it. So I will collect all the like terms. Like terms means having the same variable with the same power. Same variable भी होना चाहिए और same power भी होना चाहिए. Now I am going to collect all the like terms. So A, first is A beta, है ना? A, it is A? No, it is not A. A, no. Then next one is 4A, and its sign is positive. So 4A. Then one more A is there? Yes, one more A is there. This one, minus A. When you will open this, this plus and minus will become minus. So it will be minus A. So write down. And now A is over. A, there are all the A terms I have collected. Now go for the next like term, 3B. We will search for B term, the term which contains B. So write down the term with the sign plus 3b, then one more is minus b, and this one, children, when you will open this bracket plus minus will become minus. So minus 2b, and you can see I am underlining it. That I have collected, I have written it. Now next part is C term, minus 4c Collect all the like term which contains C. So minus 4C, then plus 9C and plus 3C. Plus 3C. Children, if you will write any sign in a different way, in a wrong way, whole part will get wrong. So you have to check it after writing. A plus 4A, okay, minus A, yes, it is correct. 3B minus B and minus 2B, it is also correct. Minus 4C plus 9C and plus 3C, yes, everyone is correct. This is the addition. Still it's not added, I have collected only. Then minus subtraction of 2A minus 3B plus 4C. This we have to subtract. Still it is in waiting. So now let's add them. A means 1A. No coefficient means 1. If coefficient is not given, it means 1. 4 plus 1, 5A. 5A minus 1A, it is 4A. Then 3B minus B. 3B minus B is, children, 2B. 2B is left. 3 में से एक गया 2B. 2B minus 2B. So no, 0B. B is cancel out. Either write a 0B or no need to write. It will create confusion. Then C. 9 plus 3. First I am adding these two. 9 plus 3 is 12. And then 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4, children. So 8. So plus 8C. This is left. What you have to subtract? 2A minus 3B plus 4C. Now we will open this bracket now. 4A plus 8C. No sign will change because before bracket nothing means positive number, positive value. 1 is there. Now here before the bracket minus sign is there, so all the sign will get changed. All the sign will get changed. This is minus 2A. Then minus will become plus, and minus plus minus 4C. See, it is positive, now it become negative. It is negative, it becomes positive. Positive will become negative. So in any way you can solve. Now collect the like term if any. Yes, 4A minus 2A. A term I have collected. Then collect the B term or C term, it is your choice. I am collecting the B term. So plus 3B. Okay. Then B is only one term. Now collect the C term plus 8C and minus 4C. So collect the like term side by side so that you can do the addition or subtraction whatever is needed. 4 minus 2. 4 में से 2 जाएगा. 4 minus 2, 2A. Then 3B is alone, it will not be calculated with anyone. एकदम सिंगल एक टर्म है तो ऐसे ही लिखेंगे हम. Then 8 minus 4C, it will become plus 4C. Children, this is the answer. 2A plus 3B plus 4C. This is the final answer. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Children, if you will see question number 4, it is same. It is same, beta. Subtract the sum of these two expression from the sum of these two expression. Okay. So what you have to do? Basically, you have to add both and then you have to subtract. You have to add both the expressions which is given to you separately. Frame the question and then do it. Sometimes the students may add it separately, but why we will do it? Just frame it, whatever is given, frame it and then add, like the sum of, let me show it question, sum of these two expression. Let me show it, children. I am going to erase this and you just wait. No need to write because this is for your homework part. So this you will write it in your homework notebook. I am just explaining. Subtract the sum of 8m minus 7n plus 6p square. This will come to this side. Subtract the sum of 8m minus 7n plus 6p square and minus 3m minus 4n and minus p square. जो पहला दो एक्सप्रेशन है, दिस विल कम टू दिस साइड. इन सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, सब्ट्रैक्ट the sum of these two expression from के आगे जो भी है, from the sum of these two expressions. So in this way you have to frame it. Frame the equation, separately add them, then open the bracket to solve it. Okay. Now next question is question number 5. Subtract the sum of, children, write down question number 5. Subtract the sum of, question number 5 is what we have to subtract, the sum of. Okay, subtract करना है. The sum of two expressions are given, 8a minus 6a square plus 9. 8a minus 6a square plus 9. इसको, और एक और टर्म है minus 10a बेटा, minus 10a, then minus 8 and plus 8a square, minus 8 and plus 8a square. इस इनके टर्म्स को आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम -3. चलिए देखिए बेटा. ओके, आई हैव रिटन. सी द क्वेश्चन. लेट मी डू इट अगेन. आई एम डूइंग एंड यू ऑल्सो राइट डाउन. I am doing it properly. It's in a very tilted mode. Let me take the book, then I will write it properly. Subtract the sum of this and this from 8a minus 6a square plus 9, this, and the sum of minus 10a minus 8 plus 8a square. Okay, whatever the value will be, let me do it. Now I will not erase it. I am not going to erase it. Subtract. You have to subtract. Question, listen children. You have to subtract the sum of this expression and this expression from -3. -3 से उसको subtract कीजिए. So this is the structure of your question. ये है आपका. अब आप इसको कैसे करेंगे? -3, first of all solve this. 8a minus 6a square plus 9. Open the bracket. Why I have kept in a bracket? Because minus sign was there. So plus sign है ना, तो plus sign मतलब bracket के अंदर के कोई भी sign change नहीं होंगे बेटा. Plus minus will become minus only. वो भी -8 ही रहेगा और वो plus 8a square ही रहेगा. No sign will change because before the bracket positive sign is there. Now next we will solve the inner portion, inner bracket. 8a, collect a term, collect the term, like terms collect कीजिए. like terms मतलब जिसमें a हो और उसकी पावर भी 1 हो. पावर, no power means 1. सिर्फ a होना चाहिए, a square नहीं चाहिए बेटा. So yes, -10a. Then is there any other a term? No. तो a का टर्म खत्म हो गया. like term यही दोनों है. नेक्स्ट इज -6a स्क्वायर. आप a स्क्वायर का लाइक टर्म चूज करना है. a स्क्वायर नहीं है ना, ये तो ऑलरेडी ले चुके हैं, नहीं है, ये है. सो प्लस 8a स्क्वायर अंडरलाइन इट. सो दैट यू हैव कलेक्टेड इट. ये कलेक्ट हो गया, ये कलेक्ट हो गया. नाउ कांस्टेंट प्लस 9, इट इज ऑलरेडी कलेक्टेड, एंड -8. कांस्टेंट को एक साथ आप लिखिए ताकि आप उसको प्लस माइनस कर सकें. Now -3 minus 8a minus 10a. 8 में से -10 जाएगा तो -2a. -2a will be left. ठीक है. Now these two are like terms so that we can add them. a स्क्वायर को a स्क्वायर से ही ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. -6 plus 8 है बेटा. 8 minus 6 कितना आएगा? +2a स्क्वायर. This is also completed. Now 9 minus 8 is +1. +1. Now open the bracket. -3. अब ये बाहर माइनस है, so all the sign will get changed. All the sign which is inside the bracket will get changed. Minus will become +2a. Plus will become -2a square and -1. Now collect the like term. Very noisy road. Now collect the like term, children. Like term means, let's see. minus 3 is a constant one, and is there any constant term? Yes, minus 1. Then plus 2a and minus 2a square, these two are different. Minus 4 plus 2a and minus 2a square. You can write it in any sequence, only the difference is that the ये sign should carry the same sign. minus 4 को आप स्टार्टिंग में भी लिख सकते हो, लास्ट में भी लिख सकते हो, बट वो साइन वही होना चाहिए बेटा. Okay, now see the next question. Question number 5 we have done. Now we will move to the next part. This is question number 6, simplify. क्या करना है बेटा? हमको simplify करना है. Okay, write down the first part. Question number 6, first part, write down. Question number 6, first part, it is simplify 5x minus 9y, 5x minus 9y in a bracket, minus of minus 7x plus y, minus of minus 7x plus y, minus of minus 7x plus y. Yes, it is the question. Now let's see. This we have to solve. So now 5x minus 9y, both are different, we can't solve inside the bracket. Now open the bracket, minus is outside the bracket, so all the sign will get changed. Minus minus will become plus 7x and minus plus will become minus y. Now children, collect the like term. Like term means having the same variable with the same power. Variable भी वही होना चाहिए और उसकी power भी वही होनी चाहिए. 1 है तो 1, 2 है तो 2, ऐसे. So 5x, is there any other x? ये x है क्या? नहीं. This one is x? Yes. Plus 7x. It is x? No. Leave it. Now next, this will come. Minus 9y. अब हमको y ढूंढना है. y ये तो already हम लिख चुके हैं. So y, ये रहा y. Minus y. ठीक. Now solve it. 7 plus 5 plus 7 is 12x and minus 9 and minus 1. No coefficient means 1. So 9 और 1 कितने हो गए? माइनस आपका 10y. This is the answer. Minus 12x minus 10y. ये दोनों पॉजिटिव है इसलिए पॉजिटिव साइन लगा. ये दोनों नेगेटिव है, ऐड होंगे और नेगेटिव साइन लगेगा. ठीक है. Now question number 3. Write down question number 3, children. I am also writing question number 6, third part. 7 minus 2x. Let me take my book so that I can write it fast. You also see your book. Question number 6, third part. This is 7 minus 2x plus 5y minus, then one more bracket is there, x minus y, and then square bracket close, then minus 5x plus 3y minus 7. This is the question. See it. This is the question, children. Now we have to open the bracket and then we will collect the like term to solve. See, the innermost bracket is this one, so we will open this bracket first. X minus y bracket we will open. Okay, and then we will solve the other parts. So let's open this bracket. 7 minus 2x plus 5y. Minus is there outside the bracket, minus sign is there, so you will open it and all the sign will get changed. ये पॉजिटिव है x तो ये नेगेटिव x हो जाएगा, ये नेगेटिव y है तो ये पॉजिटिव y हो जाएगा. माइनस प्लस विल बिकम माइनस x, माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. देन 5x plus 3y minus 7. Now we will solve the inner one. ये आपका स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. सो सॉल्व इट. 7 लिख दिया, फिर minus 2x, collect the x term if any, yes, minus x. लाइट टर्म्स को साइड बाय साइड लिखना शुरू करेंगे. Now next is 5y plus 5y and one more y is there, plus y. And this one, open it children, open this bracket. Minus plus minus 5x minus plus minus 3y and minus minus will become plus 7. या तो ऐसे करिए, या दूसरा है आपका when the sign bracket is outside bracket is minus, so all the sign will get change. ये पॉजिटिव है 5x, ये मैं नेगेटिव हो गया, पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव हो गया, नेगेटिव है पॉजिटिव. Now I will solve this one and I will open it also. ये हो गया 7 minus 2 and minus x will become minus 3x. दोनों नेगेटिव है बेटा, so they will add minus 2x and minus x. ये हो गया minus 3x. And this one is y. Both are positive. So we will add and we will put their sign. अगर दोनों नेगेटिव है तो भी ऐड होगा नेगेटिव साइन, दोनों पॉजिटिव है तो भी ऐड होगा और पॉजिटिव साइन. प्लस 6y माइनस 5x, इसको लिखिए माइनस 3y प्लस 7. नाउ कलेक्ट द लाइक टर्म साइड बाय साइड. ठीक है, 7 पहला कांस्टेंट टर्म और ये दूसरा कांस्टेंट टर्म साइड बाय साइड लिख दिया बेटा. नाउ नेक्स्ट माइनस 3x, सर्च फॉर x, लाइक टर्म्स के सर्च कीजिए. x है नहीं, यस माइनस 5x है, हमने लिख दिया साइड बाय साइड. नाउ देयर इज नो x टर्म लेफ्ट. नेक्स्ट इज दिस वी हैव डन, दिस वी हैव डन. नाउ दिस प्लस 6y. ठीक है, अब y ढूंढेंगे तो ये ऑलरेडी हम ले चुके हैं, ये हो गया माइनस 3y एंड 7 ऑलरेडी वी हैव टेकन. सो 7 प्लस 7 कितना हुआ बच्चों? 7 प्लस 7 14. ठीक है, माइनस 3x एंड माइनस 5x, दिस विल बिकम माइनस 8x. माइनस 8x, दोनों नेगेटिव है ना, ऐड होगा और साइन नेगेटिव का ही लगेगा. देन प्लस 6y एंड माइनस 3y, एक पॉजिटिव है एक नेगेटिव है, दोनों आपस में फाइट होगा. प्लस 6 माइनस 3. ठीक है, और फिर आंसर किसका क्या आएगा? सब्ट्रैक्शन करके आंसर आएगा 3 एंड साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर इज 6, इट्स साइन इज 6 प्लस, सो प्लस 3y. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. ओके, आई होप द क्वेश्चंस आर क्लियर टू यू. नाउ लेट्स डू वन मोर part for you. Fourth part I am solving children only for you, although it is the homework portion, but I can see the time is there, so I can solve it. You also write down. I am writing it from the book. You also take the help of your book and write down children in the class work itself. Question number 6, fourth part, class work. Or better, you can clear your concept and do it by your own. It is your choice. Fourth part, 1 by 3 y square minus 4 by 7 y plus 5. ये रेशनल नंबर की फॉर्म में है ना, तो sometimes the students may get worry that, oh my god, which type of question it is. Why to have such worries beta? 2 by 7y minus 2 by 3y square plus 2, then minus 1 by 7y minus 3 plus 2y square. Children, you have to check it once. If you are writing it from the book, please check it once. I am also writing 1 by 3y square, checking, sorry, minus 4 by 7y plus 5, 2 by 7y minus 2 by 3y square plus 2, 1 by 7y minus 3 and plus 2. Yes, correct. I have copied it correctly. Then my solution will not be wrong, na? That's why I have checked it once. Now let's see how to do it. There are, you can see there are 3 different expressions and they are in bracket and we are subtracting them. This we have to simplify. क्या आएगा आंसर? This we have to simplify. So open the bracket first. So 1 by 3 y square minus 4 by 7 y plus 5. When you will open the bracket, all the sign will get changed because before bracket minus sign is there. So this will become minus 2 by 7 y. This will become plus 2 by 3 y square and plus 2 will become minus 2. Here minus, again minus sign is outside the bracket, so all the sign will get changed. ये 1/7 है तो ये -1/7 हो जाएगा y, देन +3 and -2y². Clear? Now we will collect the like term and then we will solve it. So first is 1/3y². तो y² अब सर्च करते हैं, where are the y²? ये तो नहीं है, y², ये है बेटा. So +2/3 साइन के साथ, +2/3y² and any other y²? Yes, -2y². All y² I have collected at one place. Now next second term उठाइए, -4/7 y ढूंढना है. अब इसमें y है नहीं, ये है y बेटा, -2/7y. ठीक, और y ये भी है, -1/7y. Then y we have collected. Now the next is constant term, +5, then -2 and +3. ये है. So all the like terms were collected side by side so that we can do the further simplification easily. Now you can see y², सब में y² है, ले लीजिए बाहर and collect all the numbers. 1/3 +2/3 -2. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट अब आप साइन लगाएंगे प्लस का. रिमेंबर दिस, साइन होगा प्लस का. एंड व्हाट इज द वेरिएबल विच इज सेम? y. वेरिएबल क्या है? y. यहाँ पे वेरिएबल क्या था बेटा? y का स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे वेरिएबल क्या था? y का स्क्वायर. यहाँ तक तो हमने y² को कॉमन ले लिया. सब में y² है, y² को कॉमन ले लिया और वी हैव पुट ऑल द नंबर्स इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट सो दैट वी कैन डू सिंप्लीफिकेशन. हियर what is common? y. So take y outside and what is left? प्लस आपने बाहर लिया है. रिमेंबर दिस, ऐसे कभी आपका रॉन्ग नहीं होगा. ऑलवेज टेक प्लस आउटसाइड. प्लस बाहर लीजिए, ब्रैकेट लगाइए एंड टेक आउट द वेरिएबल. व्हाट इज द वेरिएबल? y. y बाहर आ गया. नाउ व्हाट इज द साइन चिल्ड्रेन? इस टर्म का साइन क्या है? -4/7 है. उसको आप अंदर रखिए, -4/7. सेम साइन, -2/7 and -1/7. ऐसे. And this one is all constant term. 5 + 3 8, 8 - 2 is +6. वो +6 आ जाएगा. Now when you will solve this, ये यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं, डिनोमिनेटर का मतलब 1 डिनोमिनेटर है. Now 3 it can also become 3. कैसे इसको 3 बनाएंगे? By multiplying it with 3. So in numerator we will multiply it with 3. रेशनल नंबर में हम कर चुके हैं. So now 3 everywhere there is 3. So 3 हो गया. In numerator 1 + 2 - 3 2 जा 6. ये आया बेटा. और बाहर क्या है? y². Then see 7 ये तो ऑलरेडी सिंप्लीफाइड है. 7 is the having the same denominator. 7 रख दिया और न्यूमरेटर में -4 -2 and -1. क्या है ये? y +6. ठीक है. हमने क्या किया? हमने डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वल बनाया. पहले यहाँ पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, ऊपर भी करेंगे. नाउ ऑल द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर इक्वल. राइट डाउन द वैल्यू, दैट इज 3. कलेक्ट द न्यूमरेटर 1 + 2 - 2 3 जा 6. Here 7 already it is equal, so write down 7 and collect all the numerator with its sign. So -4 -2 and -1. Now further we will simplify. 1 + 2 is 3. 1 + 2 is 3. 3 - 6. 3 - 6 by 3. आप एक साथ भी कर सकते हैं. y² प्लस ये तीनों नेगेटिव है बेटा, so they will add. -4 -2 6 and 1 -7. -7/7 क्या आएगा? बाहर y है और +6. ठीक है. इज इट विजिबल? हाँ, यस. सो 2 + 1 3 है, मैंने लिख दिया यहाँ पे 3 -6. 3 - 6 क्या होगा? -3. 3 - 6 क्या होगा? -3. और यहाँ पर तीनों नेगेटिव थे ना, तो हमने ऐड किया और माइनस साइन का लगाया. -4 -2 -6 हो गया और -1 -7 हो गया. सो -7/7. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई इट. दिस विल सिंप्लीफाई बाय 1. -1 × y² प्लस ये भी 1 से कटेगा तो -1y + 6. सो So overall the answer is minus y square minus y plus 6. This is your final answer. Okay, this is your final answer. See this. Now I hope the questions were clear to you. If not, children, sit back and replay the video and do it by your own. These questions also please solve it by your own. This is very good question. So solve it from your side so that it will be clear to you. Clear? Till then, children, take care.